In this video, I'm going to show you how to deep clean your upholstery. And we have here some incredibly dirty seats, as you can see. Hopefully yours aren't as dirty as this, but if they are, it's no problem, we can solve it. All we need is SONAX MultiStar and an extraction wet and dry vacuum. Before we go to that step though, first thing I need to do is go through Hoover all of the loose dirt off before we start. Okay, so this has all been hoovered now to remove all the loose dirt. And you can see now they are very, very dirty. So this is obviously our MultiStar, our all-purpose cleaner, which you can dilute for many jobs. And if you check out our other videos, there's a video in there about this specific product where I take you through most of the other jobs, and there's plenty of them. I've diluted it 1 to 20 into one of our spray buoys, and that's a great dilution ratio for upholstery. If it's really dirty, then obviously you can make the dilution a bit stronger. And if it's not that dirty, then obviously make it weaker. Just, dilute and adjust as you need. So once I've hoovered it all off, I'm then going to take the MultiStar and I'm just going to spray this onto the fabric. We don't put the cleaner into the machine because the cleaner surfactants are designed to grab hold of dirt particles and hold on to them. Bad smells, general dirt and grime and stuff. So if I put it in the machine and I do all the cleaning work, I'm going to leave the surfactants in there, which means that actually the seat will get dirtier faster because the surfactants will be holding on to the dirt after the cleaning's been done. So therefore in the machine we only just put water because we want to make sure that we rinse all of the cleaner out of the seat, leaving the fabric nice clean, no surfactants, and then it will stay cleaner for longer. So we'll give this a good dousing because they're dirty. I'm going to take our SONAX textile and leather brush, very pretty brush that, I must admit. And then what I'm going to do is give the MultiStar a good agitation, working the cleaner into the fibers of the fabric. So after I've given it good agitation with our MultiStar, I'm going to leave that for a couple of minutes just for the MultiStar to do its work, break down any more grease or dirt that's in there before I extract with the machine. Okay, so I've left that a few minutes. I'm now going to extract with the machine. I have clean water in here ready to pull all the dirt and the cleaner out of the seats. Let's see what comes out of it. There we go, that's all the fresh water, so all of the cleaner out, all of the MultiStar and all of the dirt. I mean, look at the difference between, even just the backrest to that. This is now, clean, it's a deep black color. You can see that the actual stitching is white, not a horrible yellowy, gray, brown color. I mean, just look at it. It's the 50-50 there from where I've cleaned and where I haven't cleaned is mad. I mean, they looked dirty before, but now it shows how bad they actually were. And if you look in here, just how bad that is. And that's from one seat base, just here. That's not including the rest of the seat. And it was so simple. MultiStar, 1 to 20, dilute in a spray bottle, spray on, agitate with a brush, extract with the machine, with clean water, boom, clean seat. The power of the product. Thanks for watching, guys. We have plenty more videos on the channel, so please check them out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let us know in the comments how you're getting on with the cleaners and if you've ever had seats this bad, and I will catch you in the next video.